An order management system, or OMS, is the backbone of a smooth business operation. It's a digital tool that helps businesses track, organize, and manage every order from start to finish. And one powerful feature of OMS is marketplace integration. Instead of checking Shopee, Lazada, or TikTok Shop one by one, OMS brings all your orders together in one place. No more switching tabs, no more scattered data, just one system handling it all. So how does it actually work? Let me show you.
Ang first step po natin ay i-integrate ang ating mga marketplaces. So para ma-integrate po yung marketplaces natin, punta po tayo sa settings, select user settings, add store, and then lalabas po lahat ng marketplace na pwede nyong i-connect kay Payrecon. For example, magko-connect po tayo ng Lazada. Select Payrecon include multi-chats. So pag multi-chats only lang po yung pinili natin, sa multi-chats lang po natin mau-open yung account. Connect now. Then, yung site po is Philippines and then i-enter po natin yung credentials natin dun sa Lazada store and click submit. Once na na-submit na po natin ito, lalabas na po lahat ng stores na connected sa inyong order management system account. Then, para ma-check naman po kung tali yung listings from Seller Center, papunta po kay Payrecon, punta po tayo sa Product, select Product Listings, and then select po natin kung anong Marketplace and Store. So, may makikita po kayo ditong bilang, ibig sabihin po, 51 listings yung pumasok kay Payrecon. Kailangan nyo pong tignan sa Seller Center nyo kung 51 din po ba yung listings na naka-upload. If ever po nakulang yung listings na pumasok kay Payrecon, kailangan po natin itong i-download. Select lang po natin yung Marketplace, and then yung Store, click Download. Makikita nyo po yung status ng dinownload nyo dito sa Listing Download Status. So, meron po tayong iba't ibang status dyan like completed, in progress, and pending.